How to use Wix Booking. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about Wix Booking and how you can set it up on your website. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on wix.com, and these are all my sites over here, and we can go ahead and manage them. But if you created any new account, things would be a little different for you. So let's just jump into it. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and create a new website, and then I'm going to set up bookings on it so that you guys can know how it is. So just simply click on create new site, and over here what kind of website are you trying to create. You can go ahead and add what type of website you want, but we can go ahead and do this later. So we're just simply going to skip this task, and then it's going to ask us to choose how you want to create your website. Either let the Wix ADI create a website for you, or you can create your own website with the editor. Now if you're wondering what the ADI is, it's basically the artificial intelligence software that Wix uses to help you create your website. Basically, when you choose this question or you choose this option, you're just simply going to answer a bunch of different questions that the website is going to ask you, and then it's going to generate a website template for you. And over here, if you choose this option, then you will edit your entire website with the editor. So let's go ahead and click on edit a template, and over here we have a bunch of different templates to choose from. You can go ahead and choose whichever template you want, but since we're over here to make a, let's say, a booking website, so let's go ahead and actually do that. So if I come over here and I search for, let's say, a barber, barber supply, something like that, so that we can have a barber website. Like over here we have a bunch of different ones. Over here we can add a booking to our barber as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and click on this website over here and view this site. So this is how the website looks. Very clean, looks very nice, very minimal, and it also has the location set up as well. So I think this looks good, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and edit this out. Click on edit this site to start editing your website. Wait for a couple of seconds for the Wix editor to load up, and once it's loaded up, we can move on to the next step. So as you can see, the website has loaded up, and this is how it looks like. And over here on the left side, we have all of our tools, add-ons, and stuff like that. And here is our website, and we can go ahead and start editing this website. So as you can see, it looks really nice, looks really cool. And over here we have our services: signature haircut, $25, haircut is $20, beard, shaving beard, beard trim, cut, all of that. All the prices are given over here. We have our gallery and our contact. Now what if we wanted to add like a booking page over here? What we'll need to do is we'll just simply click on this button right here so that we can add a stripe. And over here what we want is a booking option. So this is the booking right here, as you can see. And over here we can go ahead and take online booking. Over here we can add that to the website, and we have all these other options as well. So let's go ahead and click on add to site over here, and this will add Wix Booking into your website, so for you to manage. And over here you have your services and stuff like that. So let's just wait for it to add, and then we can move on. All right, so once it's added up, this is how it looks like. So as you can see, it looks really weird, looks very different. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So we've added a page over here, as I said. I think this looks much better because we have an booking online over here option over here at the top, and over here we have to upload all of our stuff like this. So but it didn't load up, so let me just refresh the page. All right, so here we go. This is how it looks like. So as you can see, this is the page. Now we want to of course change it over here. So let's go ahead and click on manage services and open it up and change some of the services that we are being offered, as well as some of the images as well. So first we're gonna go over here. We're gonna check on services, and since this is a barber shop, we want a one-on-one service, of course. And over here, fill in the service info. We'll just say a signature haircut. Over here we can add the image as well. We'll go with media from 4 Wix, and we'll search for barber. Now here we have a bunch of different options, so we'll add, let's say, an image that looks really nice, that can be like, hey, that's a cool image, that's a signature haircut. Yeah, I think this would look good. So we'll just simply click over that image and simply click on add to page. That image will be added, and over here we'll add service subtitle, basically something like a description, I would say. Here we'll just say get our signature haircut, and once that's done, we have the appointment. Of course, that is it. We'll have 1 hour, and if we want a buffer time, we can go with like maybe 10 minutes. And fixed price is going to be, let's say, $25. And once that's done, we are good to go. And over here we can add our staff member if we want, and once that is done, we just simply click on save, and we are good to go. So as you can see, now we have our service, we have our, first service ready. Now what would this mean is that whenever someone comes onto their website, goes into the booking section, and he wants to book, he'll have a bunch of all of our services available, and he'll just simply click on the service he wants to, book, and choose the time, and boom, there we go. So let's go ahead and add another one over here. We'll just say beard shave. We'll just say get the best beard shave ever. And then we want appointment. Yes, 1 hour. I don't think it'll take 1 hour. Let's go with 30 minutes, and we'll add the buffer time of 10 minutes if we want. Then in here, we'll just say $20. And once that's done, employee, you can add that. And once that's done, just simply click on save, and you will have another, service added. But we didn't add an image, so let me just go ahead and add an image to this service. We'll click over here, go to media from Wix. If you already have your own images, you can go ahead and upload them, but if you don't have them, we can go ahead and find them over here. We'll just say shave over here and search for shave. All right, which one would look good over here? Where is the shave? All right, so this looks nice, so we'll just click on add to page. Boom, there we go. Click on save. Nice. So that's it. That's how you basically add different services. Next, what you can do is you can set up your calendar. So over here, you have your calendar bookings over here. You simply come over here, and you just simply choose where you want to have your services booked. So, so that people can come over here and book it. So what will happen is they'll just simply put a, time slot over here. Let's just say this time slot, and at 6 a.m. No, wait, at 10 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. they'll just simply click over here and click on appointment, and over here you will see you have the services, beard shave or signature haircut. You can add your location, you can choose the staff member, and add in the client full name, phone number, email, and then just simply click on schedule, and you are good to go. So it's pretty simple, it's really easy. Simply click on schedule, and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. And once you're done that, as you can see over here, you will have your schedule. So that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. And once everything is set up, just simply click on publish, and your website will be published. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.